We move on now to example 3. In example 3, again, what we're asked to do is find the equation of the hyperbola. So we're stopped when we're done finding the equation of the hyperbola. What are we given? Well, we're told y is equal to 3 over 4x and y equals negative 3 over 4x. Those are the asymptotes. And more importantly, we're told about the foci. The foci have coordinates 5, 0 and negative 5, 0. Let's plot the foci just to see where they are. Oh, look at that. The foci are on the x-axis. Is that important? Yes, that's important. That just means that our hyperbolas will open right and left. I'm just sketching that. I don't know exactly what they look like. But what I do know is, 1, because this focus has coordinates 5, 0, the focus is supposed to have coordinates c, 0. So the first thing that I know is that c is equal to 5. The second thing that I know is that the equation of the hyperbola looks like x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. So, what is my goal? My goal is to find a squared and b squared. What are clues? Well, the clue that we need is that y is equal to 3 over 4x. Y is equal to 3 over 4x. Do remember that a is the run, b is the rise. So, really, let's have 3 over 4 should be equal to b over a. There are 2 assumptions that we can make right now. First assumption is that b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 4. This assumption is not necessarily true because, for example, 6 over 8 also reduces to 3 over 4. So what do we do? Well, we'll see whether our assumption is correct or not by using the formula c squared is equal to c squared. B squared is equal to c squared minus a squared. So b squared equals c squared minus a squared. We know our b, it is 3. We know our c, it is 5. We know our a, it is 4. We notice that 9 indeed equals 25 minus 16. So in this case, we got lucky. Our first guess that b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 4 were actually correct. Okay? We will see now another example shortly where we don't get so lucky. What do we do then? Well, you'll see when I do that problem. Let's finish this one. What are we asked to do? Find an equation. I know my a, I know my b. I'm ready to find my equation. We have x squared over 4 squared minus y squared over 3 squared is equal to 1. Now, I'm not going to, you all know that 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, and so you can finish the problem yourself. I'm done with example 3. I did everything I was asked to do. We now move on to number 18. Number 18 is an additional example that I wanted to do. Number 18 is very similar to example 3 that we just completed. Clues are pretty much the same. The foci have coordinates negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. Just like last time, start by plotting the foci. So here we are, 4 units to the right of the origin, 4 units to the left of the origin. I do not know what the graph looks like, but I do know that the branches open to the left and open to the right. Just like last time, there are some clues given to us. First, the focus is for 0. The focus has coordinates C0, so C is equal to 4. Second, we know the hyperbola opens left and right, so just like an example 3, the equation will be x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. Please don't assume that this is always this equation. It just happened to be so for our examples. So, we're now to the part we're attempting to find a and b. The clue that is provided to us is that y is equal to x, or y is equal to 1 over 1x. From the formula, we have y is equal to b over a x. So, our first assumption is that 1 over 1, the slope of the slope of the asymptote must be equal to b over a. And we'll jump to a conclusion. We'll say, oh, this problem's so easy. B must be 1 and a must be 1. B equals 1 and a equals 1. And we'll be happy, and we'll even think that we have the equation of our hyperbola. Please don't be happy yet. Check. Do check. Is b squared equal to c squared minus a squared? Is 1 squared equal to 4 squared minus 1 squared? Again, 1 equals 15. Uh-oh, our A and B are wrong. What do we do then? Are we doomed? Is this problem impossible? No, this problem is not impossible. Knowing that B over A is equal to 1 over 1 just means that B and A could be 2 over 2, or 3 over 3, or 4 over 4, or whoever knows what else they can be. So, if you cross multiply, what you get though is that A must be equal to B. Like I said, cross multiply and get the fact that A is equal to B. Now we're ready to figure out our A and B. Again, we go to B squared is equal to C squared minus A squared. Since A is equal to B, we're going to replace B by A. So we have A squared is equal to 4 squared minus A squared. We add A squared to both sides. We get 2A squared is equal to 16, not 18. And A squared itself is equal to 8. Since A is equal to B, this means that B squared is also equal to 8. We know our A squared, we know our B squared. We're now ready to write the equation of this hyperbola. X squared over 8 minus y squared over 8 is equal to 1. There's our final answer. Again, what were we asked to do? Write the equation. Did you accomplish that? Yes, you did. Don't do anything more. Don't find, don't graph it, don't do anything else that you're not asked to do.